Well, hello there, friends. So, today what we're going to be talking about is something a little bit different. So, I'm going to be letting you know about my new upholstery consultation services. So, basically, what this is this goes like way beyond what's happening in comments. As you know, on my channel, I have thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of comments. And I answer every single one of them. So I get a lot of questions in there, and I get a lot of ideas, and people they're telling me that I should be doing something out a different way, right? But anyway, in comments, a lot of people they know that they can count on me to answer a lot of their questions, and I do. And what's funny is they'll ask the question like they're typing into chat gpt or something. They'll be saying, how do I do this, how do I do that? And I usually answer back, hello, and then I put their name. I'll put upholstery gpt here, and then I put haha and then I answer the question. It's just a little funny for me anyway. But how did I do with that one? Anyway, so the questions that get answered in comments. Okay, people they'll ask me basic questions, and I'm always happy to answer them. But sometimes there's really it's almost impossible to go back and forth with a question, answer, question, answer, question, answer on the same comment. So really, what I've done is I'm making it available to you that we can do a personal phone conversation consultation. Okay, so basically, how that works is if you support my channel right there, it's coming up. If you find value in my upholstery tutorials, now is an easier way to contribute to my YouTube channel. Buy a coffee by scanning this QR code now. Thank you. So basically, how this works is if you make your contribution to my channel at Buy Me a Coffee, okay, you can see the link below. I'll give you a personal phone conversation consultation. So the way that works is I get your number and I'll give you a call, and then the floor is yours. Okay, you get to ask any question that you want, and now you could take however much time as you want. So what I think is so awesome about this is that we get to discuss all the fine details. Okay, these are fine details that you can't discuss in comments. Of course, and you're going to have a question, I'm going to have an answer, and then I can elaborate on that, and I can tell you how to do certain things and what not to do, or, because I've been doing this for a very, very, very long time. Those of you that know me know. Okay, I always repeat myself, but they've got a lot of new viewers here every week. So, I've been doing this for decades, let's just say. Decades and decades and decades. Wait, decades, 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 decades. Okay. Been doing this a long time. So, a lot of the techniques that I have here on my channel are techniques that I've learned over time. And for somebody that's just starting out, this is like really shortening the learning curve. And I always tell people in comments that I wish that there was a YouTube when I was first starting out 50 years ago. If there was a YouTube back then and I had the kind of instruction then that you guys are having right now, I'd be decades ahead in a learning curve. And let me tell you what, because there's a lot of mistakes have been made that I made, okay? Mistakes that I made over the years. And I've learned from those mistakes. So, of course, why would you want to reinvent the wheel? Okay. If you have a problem, chances are I probably come across that problem at some point, somewhere, at some time. So, for the benefit of my experience, okay, I'm able to help you out a lot. Okay, so a lot of people they show their appreciation by going to buy me a coffee, and they tell me all the time how much I've helped them. If you read through the comments on the Buy Me a Coffee, if you go there, You'll see about how grateful people are and how they contribute to my channel and how I've helped them. So, the consulting goes way beyond just sewing. Okay, sewing is only probably 25% of the upholstery. Okay, because you have installation, you have disassembly, you have things like carpets, convertible tops, vinyl tops, you have headliners, you have door panels, right? So you have boat covers, you have replacing wood for boats, you have, gosh, well, should I go on and on and on? But anyway, what I'm telling you is that sewing, is just a little bit. I know some of you guys, if I'm not doing a sewing video, you click off, right? But then you're really missing out on everything else. Not only that, but there's the business side of upholstery. I have several videos about the business side. I have so many techniques when it comes to negotiation with business. Because one of my biggest questions I get in comments is how much should I charge for something? And, I've made those videos. So some of those that have been around for a while, they know what a library is, right? Maybe some of you young guys don't even know what a library is, but I am your library when it comes to upholstery. I'm your encyclopedia when it comes to upholstery. Encyclopedia, what's that? Right? Okay. Sorry, you guys. I don't mean to make fun of you young guys. But anyway, um, I am the knowledge that you need. If you have questions, I'm here to help you with that. So that's what this whole video is about. This whole video is about helping you get the answers that you need. And you don't have to look for the answers. You don't have to go to YouTube and type in how to do that, this and that, how to do this and that. Okay, well, sure, some of those YouTube videos are good, but you know what? They don't talk back to you. I do. That's what I'm saying. Get me on the phone, and if it takes you a half an hour, 45 minutes to get your answer, I don't want to let go until I know that you've been fully satisfied. So a couple days ago, I got a phone call. And, normally I wouldn't answer the phone if it wasn't originating from Texas here, but I did anyway. I answered the phone call because what happens is, I get phone calls from all across the United States. People asking me if I could do their upholstery, but their car is in Oregon or in New York or in Michigan or somewhere else, right? So, of course, it's impossible for me to work on their car if they're out of state someplace. So that's why I don't even answer those phone calls. But I answered this one. Forgot where she was from. Anyway, she called me and she's saying, yeah, I called, I saw your YouTube and I thought I'd give you a call. And then she started to proceed to ask me a lot of questions. So I answered all of her questions. She had a lot of questions. And I think I helped her out pretty good because she was pretty satisfied with the answers that she got. And I spent about a half an hour on the phone with her. And we're just chatting and we're just talking, and she's getting everything that she needs. So we're nearing the end of our phone conversation. And she says, well, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate your help. And she says, well, have a nice day. So the phone was getting ready to hang up. So I said, I told her, I said, wait, before I let you go. And she goes, yeah. I said, now that I've helped you out a lot, can you help me out a little bit? And she says, yeah, sure. What do you want me to do? And I told her, I said, well, you kind of did it backwards. You called me first. And then I explained to her about my phone consultation service that usually, people that contribute to my YouTube channel. And I explained to her everything that I just explained to you, the service that I provide. And I told her, I said, would you mind going to the Buy Me a Coffee and contributing to my channel? And she goes, oh, yeah, sure, I'll do that. I'll go ahead and do that. And she's like, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know, and all this kind of stuff. And she goes, yeah, I'll do that. And I gave her instructions on how to go to the buy me a coffee so that way she can do that. And she goes, okay, I'll go ahead and do that. And I thought, okay, well, we're good then. I'm thinking to myself, okay, well, have a nice day. We'll talk to you later. Keep watching, right? So anyway, we hang up the phone. So anyway, that was several days ago. And she never did. She never came back because she didn't contribute to the channel. But what can I do, right? So that's why it was a little bit backwards. So I'm letting you know now that that's the way it's done. Okay, if you contribute to my channel, I'll spend the time with you on the phone. If it's a half hour, just like I did with her, or if it's a 45 minutes, or whatever it takes, until you're completely satisfied that you've got the answer. Now here's a little throwback video of Miss Nibbles the Wonder Dog. Here she is, taking her favorite position, the one that's most comfortable for. Oh no, guess not. She's gonna stand there. She's gonna sit there, and she's gonna go along for the ride. Now, what do you guys think about this one? Put it in comments. Say hi to Miss Nibbles. She loves her fans. Then on the other side, I've had contributors that they'll say, "Oh, I don't need a phone call. I just wanted to contribute because I just wanted to say thank you for all your everything that you're doing for everybody." So I think that's pretty cool too. Or somebody will say, um, I'm answering or I'm asking more than one question, so I'm going to contribute more than one time." So that's also happened. But a lot of people out there are very generous, and a lot of people, it doesn't matter to me. I've had people send in $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, and $25 is like the most common. Got a $50 one once. I think I got $100 one once, just once. So, but you know what? I spend the same time with those people, and I answer the same comment and questions, and I treat everybody the same, regardless if it's $3 or if it's $25. Okay. I don't really differentiate the importance of the question or the answer based on what they contributed with. So I'm wondering what would happen if the day ever came where I'm stumped. Somebody were to ask a question that I didn't know. Would that ever happen? I don't know about that. I've pretty much done everything, seen everything that I could possibly imagine. Oh man, and when I think back, 30, 40, 50 years ago, some of the stuff that I was doing with upholstery, man, well, back in the 1980s, that was huge, right? 1980s. I was doing all the custom cars and all the convertible mini trucks and doing all that kind of stuff. I mean, you would see that if you go to my website and click on Rudolph's Virtual Museum, you'll really see my biography there, things that I was doing way, 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 way back then. But, I was doing that stuff. So between then and between now, like I had somebody call me the other day, or is it an email, I think? I think it was an email. Or was it a comment? I can't remember. I guess it might have been a comment. Somebody's asking me if I ever did Volkswagen seats. That's what it was. Volkswagen seats, why they smell. But he really answered his own question. He says, why did the old Volkswagens all smell the same? And he says, is it because of because they use the horsehair pad? And I told him, yeah, basically he answered his own question because he knew the answer already. But, I told him, back in the early days, a lot of the European cars, they all had that same smell. And if you haven't smelled that smell, someday if you're ever around an old Volkswagen or Audi or BMW, something like that, old Mercedes, go inside and take a whiff. You'll smell the old horsehair pad, right? And all of you oldies out there, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So I remember last year, there were some people that were sponsoring me with some products, and I was making videos for them. And I thought to myself, well, why shouldn't I just be doing that? I can make my own, I can be my own sponsor, right? Okay, I can make a sponsor video for myself. So here it is. So I know it's a short one, but next Sunday morning, check me out. I'll be back here with a brand new video with something completely different. So until next time, we'll see ya. If you like this video, you'll really like the next one.